Is your Kia Sportage key fob not working or the case stuck? Most issues with 2014-2020 models are due to dead batteries. Replacing the CR2032 battery is a simple DIY fix that can save you money. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or key fob opening tool and a new CR2032 battery. First, locate the seam on the fob. Gently pry it open with the screwdriver. Be cautious to avoid cracking the case. Remove the old battery carefully. Clean any corrosion with isopropyl alcohol if present. Insert the new battery, positive side up, matching the plus mark. Snap the case back together securely. Finally, test the remote functions to ensure it works properly. If the key fob case is stuck, apply heat from a hairdryer on low setting for 10 to 20 seconds to loosen the adhesive or clips. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the case or damaging the electronics. If the remote still doesn't work after battery replacement, try reprogramming the fob by turning the ignition on and off 5 times. If reprogramming fails, a dealer visit might be necessary for professional service. Also, inspect the fob for moisture damage, which can cause remote failure. Drying the internals with a hairdryer or desiccant might restore functionality. Remember, annual inspections help prevent battery issues. Keep your fob dry and use OEM parts for best compatibility.